today I am inside the famous caves of Independence, Missouri with my big old truck delivering a load. It's kind of dark in here and I'm just using a little Samsung phone to videotape. You see another truck over there, that's not mine. Mine is this beast here that you can't see. I'll get on the other side where the lighting's better. Oh well. Anyway, I never delivered in a cave before, so this is a unique experience. I guess it was actually some kind of mine. See this big tractor trailer, he's got to negotiate that thing, that corner without hitting the huge pillar of stone. Fun, fun, fun. Oh well, and there's another truck over here doing some maneuvers. So I hope I can get out of here without getting in a traffic jam underground. I'm getting asphyxiated from all these trucks driving around with their exhaust. They do have ventilation, but still it'd be better if they weren't running their engines too long. Oh well. This is Felipe. I know my voice doesn't sound like me. I've had a cold this summer. I'm wearing this jacket because it's about 60 degrees down here. So alright, I will talk at you later. Sayonara. Tashi Butsuda. Hasta la vista. So long, bye.